How do smoke alarms work for carbon monoxide? Even the internet is struggling.
Standard smoke alarms actually don't detect carbon monoxide. Smoke and carbon monoxide are fundamentally different. So detecting them requires completely different technology. Smoke is made of physical airborne soot particles from combustion. Carbon monoxide is invisible. If a single device in your home monitors both, it's a combination of smoke/CO alarm. Inside the casing, there's two separate sensors